अस्सलाम वालेकुम व्यूवर्स, आज हम डिस्कस करेंगे मेजर थीम्स ऑफ दिस नावल. मेजर थीम्स इन दिस नावल आर करप्शन, कैपिटलिज्म, ऑपरेशन ऑफ द पुअर्स, women's struggles, empowerment and revolution and justice. Each theme shows the problem in post independence Kenya and encourage people to fight for change. Corruption and capitalism. In Devil on the Cross, corruption and capitalism are shown as a major problem in post-independence Kenya. Although the country is free from British rule, but the leaders and businessmen continue to exploit the people. This novel do criticism on how the rich and powerful people control wealth, while the poor struggle for survive. Instead of helping the nation grow, these leaders steal resources and make deals with foreign countries to increase their own profit. The best example is the Devil Feast, where corrupt leaders man talk about their crime in order to make profit. They openly discuss how they cheat workers, sell fake goods and make the illegal profit. This event shows how greed and dishonesty have become a normal part of society. This novel argues that if corruption continues, ordinary people will never experience real independence. It suggests that true freedom means not just political independence but also economic fairness and justice for all. The second theme is oppression on the poor. This novel shows how the poor remain powerless even after independence, as the rich continues to exploit them. Workers and farmers received low wages and poor living conditions. This system benefits only the wealthy people, leaving the majority trapped in poverty. The poor doesn't have opportunity for education, business or success making if it's possible for them to rise in society. The best example is of Varinja's society, who struggle to find a stable job. She is a hardworking woman. She is harassed by her boss. सबसे पहले उसको बॉस ने उसको harassed किया था and later fired from her job. फिर उसको उसकी जॉब से भी निकाल दिया. This shows that in a corrupt society the poor are not respected and their rights are ignored. Another example in the Devil Feast. Instead of helping the poor, they laugh about the condition of the poor and the way they destroy them. This novel encourages people to stand up for their rights and demand a system where everyone is treated fairly. Women's struggle and empowerment. This novel shows the difficult lives of women in a corrupt and male-dominant society. Women suffer from poverty, lack of opportunity, and abuses from the men in power. Instead of being seen as intelligent and capable, they are often treated as objects for man's pleasure. This novel not only shows these struggles but also encourages women to stand up for themselves and fight for their rights. The best example is Varinja's journey. She became as a helpless young woman who is constantly mistreated. First, business take advantage of her when she is young. Later, her boss fired her from her job because she refused to give in his advances. These experiences shows how women are often powerless in a corrupt society. However, by the end of the novel, वरिंजा ट्रांसफॉर्म इनटू अ स्ट्रॉन्ग वुमेन. पहले तो वो स्ट्रॉन्ग नहीं थी, लेकिन एट द एंड ऑफ द नावल हम देखेंगे कि वो एक स्ट्रॉन्ग इंडिपेंडेंट वुमेन बन जाती है. शी लर्न्स हाउ टू फाइट, हाउ टू डिफेंड एंड हाउ टू प्रोटेक्ट हरसेल्फ from the politicians or from those who are in a power herself and work as a mechanic, proving that women can succeed without relying on men. Her story is a message to all women. They can break free and take control of their lives. This novel shows women's empowerment and gender equality in society. Next theme, revolution and justice. One of the most important themes in Devil on the Cross is the need for revolution to bring justice. This novel suggests that the poor must not wait for corrupt leaders to change, but must take action themselves. Without resistance, the rich will continue to exploit the weak. The only way to end oppression is through collective awareness. Characters like Maturi believe that the working class must unite to overthrow young leaders. He represents the revolutionary spirit needed for change. Varinja also transformed from the victim to a fighter, showing that even individual can take a stand against oppression. This novel ended suggested that justice will not come from the rich but from ordinary people to fight for their rights. Devil on the Cross encourages readers to speak out, resist corruption and demand fairness in society, making revolution the only path for the true justice. I am done this video. Next video तक मुझे दीजिए इजाज़त. See you soon.